other data type that is not known as primitive, or we can also call it a fundamental data type. Then I have in item in the dictionary are separated with the comma and enclosed in the curly braces. Already we have given a example. Here this is the name of dictionary D, where first element, second, third, fourth. I have 4 values into a dictionary: 1 Jimmy, 2 Alex, 3 John, and 4 Mike. Then I have printed first name is plus D. D means dictionary 1 means this one. Okay. Then second name, अब 2 के अंदर क्या हमारा नाम एलेक्स है, सॉरी फर्स्ट वैल्यू में क्या हमारा नाम, फर्स्ट वैल्यू का नाम है हमारा जिमी, तो जिमी दिखाएगा। जब यहाँ पे देखूंगा मैं D4 में कौन है नाम हमारा, माइक है, तो इट विल शो द नेम ऑफ माइक। इफ आई वांट टू get the value of whole dictionary, then print D and whole dictionary will be printed there, just like this one. Then I have want to print the values, then all values will be printed. If I want to print the keys of D, then all keys will be there. Okay, next we have Python keyword. Python keyword are reserved word, special reserved word which convey a special meaning to the compiler or interpreter. Keyword have a special meaning and a specific operation. These keyword cannot be used as variable. ये पॉइंट हमें ध्यान रखना है कि जो हमारे कीवर्ड होते हैं, कीवर्ड हमारे वो रिजर्व वर्ड होते हैं जिनके हमारे कुछ न कुछ मीनिंग होते हैं, कोई ना कोई ऑपरेशन होता है हमारे लैंग्वेज के अंदर, और उनको हम एज ए वेरिएबल डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते। अब यहाँ पे ये हमारे कुछ कीवर्ड्स है पाइथन के अंदर जिनको हम यूज कर सकते हैं। हमारे यहाँ पे लगभग ये हमारे 24 यहाँ पे आपके प्रेजेंट किए गए हैं। ट्रू, एसेट, एल्स, ग्लोबल, रेज, नॉन लोकल, फॉल्स, डेफ, फाइनली, फॉर, ट्राई, इन, नन, क्लास, एलिफ, इफ, फॉर, नॉट, एंड, कंटिन्यू, डेल, फ्रॉम, डिफाइन, रिटर्न, इज, एज, ब्रेक, एक्सेप्ट, इंपोर्ट, पास एंड लैम्डा। इनको आप एज ए वेरिएबल डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते। नेक्स्ट वी मूव द अनदर डाटा टाइप एंड दैट इज टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रिंग। देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रिंग सपोर्टेड इन पाइथन। फर्स्ट वन सिंगल लाइन स्ट्रिंग एंड सेकेंड वन मल्टी लाइन स्ट्रिंग। Single line string means a kind of string just like this one. Text 1 equal to hello means I have written down the string in a single line. If I will write down the same in multi-line, then it is called like this one. Text 1 hello user. This is written in more than one line. That is why this is also known as multi-line string. A piece of text that is spread along multiple line is known as multiple string. अब यहाँ पे हमारा ये बैकस्लैश जो है वो अपने यूज करना पड़ेगा। If we are using multi-line string, then using triple quotation marks we can also use a string here. Next I have literals. Literals also known as constant. These are the kind of values or variable where value are already assigned to the variable. It may be it is defined during the design time. Numeric literals are immutable. Numeric literals can belong to following 4 different numeric type. सबसे पहला हमारा होता है int, और int में हमारा कौन सा है signed integer. Signed means it may contain negative as well as positive value. Then I have a float. In float, floating point value means it may be any decimal values. Then I have long, it may contain the higher values. Then I have complex, which can be the combination of both string plus number. Then I have numbers. Number can be both positive and integer. No fractional part allowed. Integer of unlimited size followed by lowercase or uppercase L. This one like real number, both integer and fractional part, just like this one. The form of a plus b j, where forms the real part and B forms the imaginary part of complex number. Then I have Boolean literal where the result have only two values, true or false. Then I have special literal in Python. It also contain one special literal that is none. मैंने पहले आपको बताया था कि 5 मैंने बता दिया, एक और मेरा डाटा टाइप प्रिमिटिव होता है और वो है मेरा नन, कभी यूज नहीं होता है। नन क्या है हमारा? नन इज यूज टू स्पेसिफाई टू दैट फील्ड दैट इज नॉट क्रिएटेड। इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर द एंड ऑफ लिस्ट इन पाइथन। सपोज हियर आई हैव डिफाइंड val1 10, val2 equal to none, means there is no value for the val2. This is the kind of literals or none, sorry. Then I have literal collections. Literal collections क्या होती है हमारी? A collections such as tuples, list and dictionary can be used in Python. List क्या होगी हमारी? It contain item of different data type. और list क्या हमारी? Mutable है. It can be modifiable. It can store the values. All lists are separated by comma. Enclosed within a square bracket, we can store different type of data in a list. Values stored in list can be retrieved using the slice operator and column. The plus sign is the list concatenation and asterisk is the operation repetition. Then these are the examples of some list literals. That's all for today. We will back tomorrow with a new topic. Till then, wait for the next video and enjoy the same. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you enjoy it, then you can please share it, like it, and also make the subscription of the video. Thanks all. Have a nice day.